How to duplicate a template in Notion. This is the easiest way to reuse the layout you like without rebuilding it from scratch. Whether it's page, a database, or full setup, duplicating a template takes just a couple of clicks, and I'm gonna exactly show you how you can do it. So, firstly, let's say I will create new page, and I will choose some template. So from here we can go to templates, and I'm gonna choose the free template. And now let's say I'm going to choose this first one, Simple Finance Tracker. I'm going to click on Add. And now we can choose where we want to add it. So let's say I will add it to my private workspace. And it should pop up over here, as you can see. So I want to keep like style and design from this template. So what you can do, you can click on those three dots next to the template, and you can simply click on duplicate. And this is going to create duplicated template, as you can see, with the number 1, and now we can rename it. And this was a quick video how we can duplicate a template in Notion. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.